Hi, Steve here for 3fortymedia. In this video we're going to take a look at the Hero plugin. Just before we start, you'll see I'm using the Chase theme in this demonstration, but regardless of the theme that you're using, the options and the settings will be the same or at least very similar. So you'll find the Hero plugin in the Customizer panel, 3fortymedia Hero settings. Here's our Hero area. The first thing we can do, of course, is to toggle this area on and off. I'll turn that back on again. Now you may see some options here that aren't available in your theme. That's fine, not all themes have all options. But if your theme does support it, we can choose a layout type. Currently we're using grid. We can change that to slider. And this will display a dynamic slider of the posts. Let's change this back to grid. We can choose a post type. Recent posts will display the most recent post in your blog. Popular posts will display the most popular posts in your blog. And popular is defined by the number of comments. So the more comments a post receives, the more popular it becomes. Or we can choose specific post IDs. If you choose post IDs, in the field below, you enter the post ID separated by a comma, and these are the posts it will display here. If I change this back to recent posts, we're displaying the most recent posts in the blog. However, if I choose a category, let's take the beauty category for example, I'm now displaying the most recent posts in the beauty category. Similarly, if I choose popular posts, I'm now displaying the most popular posts in the beauty category. And of course, deselecting the category sets it back to the global level. So I'm now displaying the most popular posts globally. We can choose a number of posts, and depending on your theme, this will vary. The Chase theme supports 3. If I change this to 3, we can see now we now have 3 posts displayed here. We can also choose an offset. Simply, an offset means the number of posts you want to skip. If I change this back to recent posts, we're displaying the most recent posts in our blog. But let's say I want to start at number 2, which is this one here. Well, simply I change the offset to 1. What I'm saying is I want to skip the first post and start at number 2. And here we are, we're now starting at number 2. If I change this to 3, I'm saying I want to skip the first 3 posts and start at number 4. Moving down, we can also toggle the metadata, and again, these may change depending on the theme. So we can toggle an entry title, we can toggle the excerpt, and we can toggle the category. Okay, let's toggle these back on. And there we go. Well, that about wraps it up. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.